Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the LOFREE Edge, a 75% low-profile mechanical keyboard that's been generating quite a buzz. This keyboard aims to blend premium materials, a compact design, and satisfying mechanical feel. First impressions are strong. The LOFREE Edge immediately stands out with its carbon fiber top case and magnesium alloy bottom case. The volcano gray colorway gives it a sleek, sophisticated look that would fit perfectly on any desk. The build quality feels incredibly solid, with no flex or creaking. It definitely feels like a premium product. The 75% layout is a great compromise between functionality and space saving. You get all the essential keys, including function keys and arrow keys, without the bulk of a full-size keyboard. This makes it ideal for smaller desks or for those who prefer a more minimalist setup. The LOFREE Edge offers both Bluetooth and wired connectivity, making it versatile for different setups. Bluetooth pairing is quick and easy, and the connection is stable. The wired connection is a standard USB-C, which is always a plus. It works flawlessly with both Windows and Mac OS. The keyboard features POM switches 2.0, which are known for their smooth and consistent feel. The low-profile design doesn't compromise on the mechanical experience. The switches offer a decent amount of travel and a tactile bump that's satisfying to type on. The sound profile is relatively quiet, making it suitable for office environments. The keycaps are made of PBT plastic, which is durable and resistant to shine. The legends are clear and crisp, and the overall typing experience is comfortable. The low-profile design takes some getting used to if you're coming from a traditional mechanical keyboard, but once you adjust, it's a pleasure to type on. The LOFREE Edge also features a rechargeable battery, which is convenient for wireless use. Battery life is decent, lasting for several days with moderate use. The keyboard also has customizable RGB backlighting, which adds a touch of flair. You can adjust the brightness and effects to your liking. Overall, the LOFREE Edge is a well-built and thoughtfully designed low-profile mechanical keyboard. It offers a premium typing experience, a sleek aesthetic, and versatile connectivity options. While it may be a bit pricey, the quality and features justify the cost. If you're looking for a high-end, low-profile mechanical keyboard, the LOFREE Edge is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.